Riyadh United Factory for Food Industries is a factory specialized in manufacturing biscuits and cookies with a high production capacity. Our vision is to create competitive products of high quality and with trained national hands. Our objectives: creating products with nutritional value, creating an identity and brand for the product and changing the traditional method in the manufacturing industries, accessing our products to the global market, benefiting from modern technologies in the industrial field. Our key focuses: exemplary nutritional standards, spearheading the development of consumables that not only delight palates but also uphold exceptional nutritional standards, ensuring a seamless fusion of delectable taste and optimal health benefits. Unique brand identity: we strive to create a distinctive brand that challenges norms and sets new benchmarks in the industry, ensuring our snacks stand out in the market. Global accessibility: with a strong commitment to excellence, we are dedicated to making our exceptional snacks available to discerning consumers worldwide. Continuous innovation: embracing modern technologies, we consistently innovate to enhance our manufacturing processes and ensure the effectiveness of our products.